If you have any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment section. Today video is about Kia Carens Global NCAP Crash Test Rating exam. The Carens received 3 stars for adult occupant protection, scoring a poor 9.30 points out of 17. It offered good protection to the head and neck of both driver and co-driver. Also, while protection to the driver's chest was labeled marginal, the same was good for the co-driver. Both their knees received marginal protection. The driver's tibias got adequate and good protection, while cover for the co-driver's tibias was adjudged good. In child occupant protection, the MPV got the same 3-star score as well. It achieved 30.99 out of 49 points. The child seat for the 3-year-old dummy was facing forward, but it could not prevent forward jerking of the head while also offering poor and fair protection to the head and chest, respectively. On the other hand, the child seat for the 1.5-year-old dummy was facing rearward, and it provided good protection to the head and chest. The Carens was tested in the base spec premium trim, which comes with multiple safety features as standard, including 6 airbags, electronic stability control, ISOFIX child seat anchorages, ABS with EBD, all 4 disc brakes, and vehicle stability management. However, the MPV gets a lap belt for the middle rear occupant instead of a proper 3-point seat belt. Question: why Kia Carens cannot score 5-star safety rating in Global NCAP crash test for giving competition to Mahindra XUV700? Please give this question answer in the comment section. Answer options: 1. Yes, 2. No, 3. Unsafe MPV, 4. Safest MPV. Please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friend, comment me which type of car buying question you have.